So now we can start with accusative case that deals with object. Direct object means now we will change article for object in this case. For example, here you have their man. So we will use it in different cases. That is a muscular noun, their man, in terms of nominative case. Their man arbeitet, the man is working. So that is a nominative case that you have learned right now. The man is working. This is a subject. So now the same case we can use, same noun we can use in object also. For example, the Frau trifft den Mann. The woman is meeting the man. So this is my object now, the man. So that is basically the accusative case. In accusative, we have to change there into then. If you find then with masculine noun, that means this is a accusative sentence. Now this is accusative sentence. Die Frau trifft den Mann. Mean the woman is meeting the man. And for other two genders, feminine and neuter gender, they have same articles that we don't need to change. For example, there are a few more examples. Siehst du den Mann? Do you see the man? This is object. Ich habe einen Sohn. I have a son. So this is basically their son. So it has a different article, indefinite. Sie hat eine Tochter. She has a daughter. Du hast ein Buch. You have a book. Die Studentin hat eine Tasche. The student has a bag. So all these highlighted, words, these are objects. They are going to change in accusative case. So these are the articles that we need to change. Definite masculine, that change then from there in accusative case. And indefinite ein for masculine becomes ein. And here is a table. For other cases, we have the same table. We don't need to change. For example, feminine is die Frau for nominative case, and the same we have in accusative. Das Kind, the same for nominative and accusative. Eine and ein, they are also same. And keine and kein, they are also same, negative articles. Only difference is for masculine case. Okay. If you want to make now sentence in accusative case, so we will change object when we have a masculine noun. Okay. It can be then. For indefinite, it can be einen, and for negative case, it can be a keinen. Okay, you can check few examples. For example, Frau heiratet den Mann. The woman marries the man. Eine Frau heiratet einen Mann. A woman marries a man. Sie heiratet ihn. Means she marries him. Ali hat ein Fahrrad. Ali has a bicycle. So that is basically das Fahrrad. That's why we don't need to change article here. That becomes ein. This is a neuter noun. For neuter noun, we have same article like we have in nominative case, ein. Mein Freund hat einen Computer. My friend has a computer. So here, that is a their computer basically. This is a masculine noun. That's why we change into einen. Ich suche den Schlüssel. I'm searching for the key. So that becomes from there to then. This is a basically masculine noun. That's why we write here then. Der Lehrer hat ein Auto. The teacher has a car. Can you help me to identify the gender for auto? It is a masculine noun, feminine, or you can say neuter noun. You can say it is a neuter noun because according to the article at object, we can call it this is a neuter noun. Ich treffe den Arzt im Krankenhaus. I'm meeting the doctor at the hospital. So that is then Arzt is basically here object, and that is masculine noun. Mein Freund hat einen Computer. My friend has a computer. Die Kollegin trifft das Mädchen. The colleague meets the girl. So these are examples. They are basically identifying objects with different articles that can be indefinite and definite one. So here we have to highlight the object. In the first one, hast du einen Bruder? So that is my object. Why we write here einen? Because this is a masculine noun, their Bruder. That's why we write here einen. Oh, Hat ihr einen Freund? Does he have a boyfriend? So that is basically their Freund. This is a masculine noun. Ihr hat keinen Freund. So that is a negative article for masculine. Keinen. Der Vogel hasst den Hund. Mean the bird hates the dog. For Hund we have article their Hund. And that we change accusative case. Their translates into then. Der Mann findet den Ball. The man finds the ball. So here is a their basic for masculine noun. Die Frau findet die Blume. The woman finds the flower. So that is a feminine noun, and we don't need to change article here. Man der man strichelt den Hund. The man pets the dog. We have learned that this is a masculine noun, so that's why we change here article. Basically, we need to learn this table, then we can easily use the articles in two different cases. Only difference for nominative and accusative is masculine. We have to use here nominative case and here ein and here time. You want to write them in object, then just change masculine. Okay.